If you are wondering if you can edit slow motion videos on Nothing Phone 3a, then the answer is yes, but unfortunately it seems that there is no way to adjust the slow motion effect. So for example, if you open the gallery and if you find the slow motion video, and usually you can tap on this pen icon in the bottom right corner in order to edit the video, then you should be able to, for example, crop the video. You can even use the enhance option, the stabilize, and so on and so forth. But there is no option to, for example, adjust the area where the slow motion effect should be applied. There is no option to adjust the speed of slow motion as well. So while you can adjust or use some effects to make the photo look, to make the video look better, you cannot, for example, adjust the speed, so you have to keep that in mind. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.